How does this pass health and safety? Get a higher! Oh. It's a bit like Seaquarium at Fancy Island, but you're on a trap rather than a little boat, yeah. Who's there? I don't know what I've just experienced in there, but I didn't hate it. The funniest thing was it said no hats to be worn, and I was expecting a loop or a gust of wind.
Yeah, I don't know why you can wear hats.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm covering this long overdue haircut up for a reason. Let me keep it on. There we go. The historic snails. Hold on to your hats at all times.
Now I can understand why.
It makes a lot of sense. I'm actually holding on to the bar now as well. That makes a lot of sense. Well done, Joyland. You got me. You got me. Wow.
That was more brutal than I was expecting.
It was intense.
It was.
That was the most intense one so far in terms of all the humps and bumps. Can't see any hat signs. I think we're safe. Where?
No hats for more on this one.
No! I'm so naughty! I do like Joyland, although Tyrolean seems like a more... because every ride here is out to kill you. Oh, we're getting on the Tyrolean Tubtwist. Right, we got the expert here. This is a roller coaster.
This is a roller coaster, definitely.
It doesn't look like much of a roller coaster. It looks very old. Oh, jeez. This is a... What is this ride? 100 years of pain, or however old it is. Oh, it's like legal torture. What does this pass health and safety? Just broke a spleen.
A what?
A spleen.
Oh, I'm so disappointed.
What just happened? How's that legal? This is lovely down here. Nice little teacups ride there, little kids' little log ride, and a lovely carousel in their little junior driving school. Very nice. That ghost train looks cool. Have you been on this one before?
Me? No.
You? Who else is here? I can keep my hat on for this one. I'm really happy about that. No, I enjoyed it. You thought I was going to say something bad then, didn't you? It's like a bouncy castle wonderland over it. Yeah, wobbly world. Oh my god. No, you took in. You took in. I just finished the nachos and these things came out. Bowling?
Yeah.
In we go. There's no one here. Just quick, grab some shoes. Go, 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 go. These may be the biggest size 9 clown shoes I've ever seen in my entire life. What are yours?
They're 6, but I feel like these
Yeah, they look bigger than a 6. I gotta beat one. Gotta beat one.
Yes.
What I haven't told her is that I used to play bowling for a team when I was younger, so it'll go easier for her a little bit. But I will. See if she notices. Just keeping it close. Just keeping it close. And the slow, unsuspecting lead begins.
karma on me for just evil laughing at you.
Oh.
Are you joking? I'm not playing anymore.
Way! Victory! It's not happening. I was going to gloat a bit more. Victory!